Let's have a look at the LEGO sets that are coming in September 2025. Starting off with those that are going to be released on the 1st of September. Wally and Eve set 43279, 811 pieces, retailing at $59.99. Nike Dunk Trick Shot set 43021, 454 pieces with 1 minifig, retailing at $34.99. Slam Dunk set 43010, 809 pieces, retailing at $59.99. Emerald City Wall Art set 75685, 1,518 pieces with 6 minifigs, retailing at $139.99. Glinda and Elphaba Bookends set 75691, 1,327 pieces with 6 minifigs, retailing at $109.99. Emerald City and Kiamo KO Castle set 85789, 860 pieces with 2 mini dolls, retailing at $74.99. Glinda and Elphaba Visit Munchkinland set 75690, 744 pieces, retailing at $59.99. Elphaba's Retreat set 75687, 228 pieces with 2 mini dolls, retailing at $19.99. Glinda's Wedding Day set 75688, 476 pieces with 2 mini dolls, retailing at $34.99. Elphaba and Glinda Brickheads set 40794, 325 pieces, retailing at $17.99. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire Brickheads set 40791, 671 pieces, retailing at $44.99. Luna Lovegood and Thestral Brickheads set 40802, 292 pieces, retailing at $17.99. The Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse 12 collectible minifigs set 71050, 8 pieces each and $3.49 each. Moving on to the advent calendars. Minecraft set 21280, 300 pieces, retailing at $29.99. Lego City set 60475, 186 pieces, retailing at $19.99. Harry Potter set 76455, 278 pieces, retailing at $29.99. Lego Friends set 42668, 237 pieces, retailing at $19.99. Disney's Frozen set 43273, 231 pieces, retailing at $29.99. Star Wars set 75418, 263 pieces, retailing at $29.99. On the 4th of September, we have Hogsmeade Village set 76457, 3,228 pieces with 12 minifigs, retailing at $349.99. On the 9th of September, we have Arkham Asylum set 76300, 2,953 pieces with 16 minifigs, retailing at $269.99. And on the 18th of September, we have the newly announced Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory set 21360, 2,025 pieces with 9 minifigs, retailing at $199.99.